What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make Sloppy Joe. For today's Sloppy Joe, guys, y'all already know I'm in love with Pumfu, and this video is being sponsored by Foodies. They already sent me this box with a few of these babies in there, so I got a few recipes to drop. This is also their Pump Thins, which is gonna go great with this Sloppy Joe, guys. This Sloppy Joe, I will be using a gluten-free, soy-free bread, guys. It's gonna be incredible, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I come up with. I'm also gonna be using Daya's cheese for that nice melty melt on that Sloppy Joe. Alright, family, so the makers of Pumfu already turned this into Sloppy Joes, but you know I'm vegan Kingzz, and I'm gonna have to make it my way. Alright, guys, so first we're gonna go off by adding some extra virgin olive oil. Add your onions. Alright, family, so you want to saute your yellow onions and your green peppers for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, family, add some Himalayan salt. And we're going to add some of our seasoning into the pot. Alright, family, y'all already know y'all can find my full recipe to this Sloppy Joe on my Patreon account in the description below. I'm going to add my Sloppy Joe mix. I will be using 2 packs. You can use 1, but it's going to be for at least 4 people. Family, we're going to add some diced tomatoes. Alright, guys, so I'm adding some liquid amino, some ketchup, and some mustard, guys. You already know we're making that Pumfu Sloppy Joe. Now I'm gonna add some brown sugar, guys. Alright, family, so we're gonna cook our Sloppy Joe for 3 to 5 minutes and cover it. Now it's time for the bite. Now let's try these Pumfu Thins. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.